Today I'll be making creamy miso pasta. This creamy miso pasta is a quick, satisfying dish with a savory umami flavor, perfect for busy weeknights. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 1/8 of cabbage, a handful of mushrooms, 2 servings of long pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the miso cream sauce, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 1/2 cup of soy milk, 1/4 cup of cream. Step 1. Cut the cabbage and mushrooms into thin pieces. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Whisk together the miso paste, soy milk, and cream in a small bowl until smooth. Set aside. Step 3. Fill a large pot with water. Add the salt and bring it to a boil. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Step 4. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add olive oil. Saute the cabbage and mushrooms for a few minutes until tender. Step 5. Pour the miso cream sauce into the pan and gently simmer it. Add the cooked pasta and toss well to coat. If the sauce is too thick, gradually add some pasta water. Plate the pasta and garnish with black pepper to your taste. I hope you enjoy this flavorful creamy miso pasta. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.